I'm running you through the legal compliances for small and medium enterprises, basically micro, small and medium enterprises, right from formation, structuring, raising foreign equity, external commercial borrowings, IPR, as well as legal and regulatory compliances. So this is legal checklist for MSMEs, is micro, small, and medium enterprises. Basically, as anybody of us, any entrepreneur starting up his business, will consider a model of maybe proprietary concern, a partnership, or an LLP or a company. Typically, these are the recommended structures. Whoever starts off business, these are like known structures of starting up a model. How you start up, you may start up per se by yourself, you go into a proprietary concern, you have a friend of yours or somebody known, you get into a partnership. So these are how these structures have evolved as business models. And recently in 2009, we have introduced in India, in fact the government has started something as LLPs, which is limited liability partnerships, which is not exactly a partnership and not exactly a company. It's like in between, in which you have a protection of a company and the flexibility of a partnership. So that is something which is like a new concept, which is going to be taking off in a big way in India, as it's already in overseas. LLPs is a very known and successful structure overseas for businesses. And over here for time frames and registration authorities, we have typically for a proprietary concern, you can start off immediately back from your home, or you don't need any space, office, nothing. Partnership, it takes around 4 to 6 weeks to register your firm. And it is optional registration. Typically, you don't need to go and get your partnership firm registered. You can have a partnership, you can operate it from your house if you want to, and that agreement need not be registered. What happens is, only if you register your partnership, it gives you some legal benefits. Tomorrow, if you have a dispute with your partner, you can sue him. If somebody has not paid up some money for you, you want to file something on a contract, you need to have a registered partnership. That means registration of a partnership agreement gives you a lot of benefits as such. So it is recommended that you register your partnership and be registered by the ROF. Then one thing which is very, very essential is, see, it's not compulsory as I indicated to you to register, but there are several benefits you get by registering. Simpliciter is, first and foremost, very important thing is RBI comes up with master guidelines circular every year, which is targeted for commercial banks for the SME sector, specifically for SME sector. And what does the circular typically do is, it gives a lot of incentives to micro, small, and medium enterprises. You can, to the extent, get even loans without giving collateral. Between get loans from 5 to 10 lakhs without collateral. That's a very good thing for small and medium enterprises. What happens is you can have, I mean, it depends how you structure your whole thing. You can have 10 different companies, 10 different ways. It depends how much money you target on, how much capital you need, how you structure it. It's basically a lot of structuring you have to use to get this thing in place. So this is highly recommended that, however, I mean, even if it's not compulsory, do consider getting yourself registered. You have a lot of benefits sometime down the line.